Alright, 3 boxes here from Amazon. Sunday delivery. Let's see what's inside. Harney tea. They're one of my favorite tea companies. Harney & Sons. So it's tropical green and green tea with coconut, ginger, and vanilla. And I plan to give at least one away as a gift. That's package number 1, Harney tea. They have a great little tea house in Hudson Valley. So if you have a chance to go over there, they actually go to Harney itself. Check it out. Let's see what's in here. Ah, for this phone. It's a tripod. It's really bendable. You can like hook it onto things. And the phone holder. And the remote. So it'll be easier for me to do a few videos without needing my help. This time I have my niece here helping me. Thank you! Last but not least, favorite brand of water. Water. I also buy it from the store, but my favorite brand. I like box water instead of water in plastic, and this is Just Water brand. So it comes in a pack of 12. It's about 20 bucks. All right, that was in my Amazon haul for today.